New functionalities in Microsoft Teams chat. That is what this video is about. But first, a like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with as many people as you know. Well, first of all, we are going back to Teams, and what you see here is that I already created a chat with Alex and Gonneke. As many people know, and if you don't know it, then it's good that you watch this video, but you could add people by clicking on this plus sign on the right corner and then add people. But this is kind of weird if you are already in a conversation and you really want to have somebody join very quickly. So what you can do, and this only works if you already have like 3 people in a chat, you could click on the add sign, and now you see here that we have some more possibilities. So we can add someone to the chat. So in this case, I'm going to add Debbie. And I'm not going to include the chat history, so this also is possible. You can include or don't include the chat history. It's all up to you. We add her, and now you see here that I've added Debbie to this chat. If I go back here and I start my chat again, I can mention Debbie. There I can say, hi, and Debbie, welcome in the chat. Okay, if we go to Debbie, then we see that she has a new activity and that I mentioned Debbie in this chat. So she can directly see this. If we go back to Paul, then for example, if we have a chat with multiple people, I could say add everyone, and then say, please take a note of this and send it. And you directly see that it changes and you got this red stripe next to it. And as you may have seen, Debbie is in Holland based, and instead of that she sees everyone, she sees her own language, iedereen, which is a Dutch language, and she noticed this this icon that it's directly for everyone in this chat. So basically what we are doing now is we have the possibility to mention everyone in a chat, and I think that's a big improvement. But be careful with it, because sometimes we are using chat instead of a team, which would actually be a team, and this could be a problem in the future when you want to move something or people need access. So please be aware of that. That is it for this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with as many people as you know. Thank you for watching.